Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Mainstays 6-cube organizer. This is our white finish and it can be found in stores or on walmart.com. Before you start, you want to check to see that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can call this number and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step 1, you're going to need your 3D panels, your 2 A panels, and your 2 C panels. You're also going to need 4 of the small wooden dowels and 4 of the long wooden dowels. Start by attaching a D panel to your A panel by inserting 2 of the small dowels into the pre-drilled holes and inserting them into the A panel. Next, take 2 of your longer dowels, insert them into the 2 pre-drilled holes, and then stick this through a C panel. Then slide on a D panel. Next, take your other 2 long wood dowel pieces, put them in there. Add on your other C panel. D panel. And lastly, with your other last 2 small wood dowel pieces, add on the A panel. For step 2, you're going to need your 2 B panels, your 8 wood dowel pieces, and 16 screws. Start by inserting the wood dowels into the outer middle pre-drilled holes. There should be 4 on either side. Next, attach the B panel to the rest of the assembly and secure it using 8 screws. Next, attach the other B panel to this side. After you've attached both B panels, take your 16 caps and put them over the screws on either side. So for our last step, we're going to want to grab our 3 back panels and we're going to use this nail holder to nail these panels down. Be sure to complete this step as these back panels provide a lot of stability to the unit. Once you have nailed down those back panels, you can then stand your unit up, and it is now complete.